morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Open your cameras. Open your cameras. Kunal, open your camera. Kunal, it should not be
Good
off.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone in the class. Open your cameras. Kalpit, Ahana, Sharma कौन है ये? Who is this Ahana Sharma? Okay, she changed her name. Okay, Adik. Open your cameras. Quickly. जल्दी से open Kalpit. Your camera is still off. Okay, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is addition. I hope you remember well what is addition. याद है कुछ? Addition क्या होता है? चलो later.
Plus.
Yes, plus. नहीं. So sorry. Later today we are going to start Roman numbers. Sorry. Not addition. We are going to start Roman numbers first.
Ma'am, I know Roman number.
Ayush, please teach. If you know, then please teach the whole class. Can you teach the whole class? Yes, you can, Saransh. Aradhya, Kalpit, Aman, are you someone special in the class that your cameras are switched off? Are you all someone special in the class that your cameras are switched off? Aradhya and Kalpit. Or shall I remove you? The best part is to remove you, right? Okay, so we are going to start Roman numbers. Yes. I asked you yesterday if I ask you to write down third class, with which class you are. Okay. So yesterday I asked you in which class you are. Wait a minute. Alright. So if I ask you in which class you are, so you will write third class. So how will you write third? Like this. Acha, tell me. Hardik, please switch your camera mic off. Hardik, switch your mic off, otherwise I'll throw you out. Listen. So if I ask you in which class you are, you will write third class like this. If I ask you in which class you will be next year, in which class you will be next year, what will be your answer?
Ma'am, fourth.
Write it down and show me. How will you write fourth class?
Ma'am, can I
How will you write fourth class?
Ma'am, 1 week before the week.
Then please switch your mic off and show me. Not speak. Aditi, are you sleeping? Open your camera. How will you write fourth?
Ma'am, like this.
How will you write fourth class? Yes, very good Divit. वाशु इतनी और दूर ले जाओ बेटा, और दूर ले जाओ थोड़ा सा, तब दिखाई देगा मुझे, है ना? Okay, yes Aditi, correct, very good. Vashu, I can't see from there. Okay, it is very much far away. Apurv, open your camera. Aman, why don't you keep your phone at one place and then study from there, Aman?
I'm like this.
बेटा अपूर्व, I can't see anything, वो तुम बहुत दूर से दिखा रहे हो, ठीक है? It is very much far away. Yes Hardik, yes. Yes Saransh, correct. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, this is Maya.
Yes, correct, very good. So look here everyone, wait a minute. Look here now. How do you write fourth? Most of you are writing fourth like this. I can see most of you are writing fourth like this. Okay. So let us see what happened. Now look here, everyone. Now look here. Do not write anything. Just look here. If I ask you to write 3, you write 3 in this form. This is the third class. Why don't you write it as 4? आप third class ऐसे क्यों नहीं लिखते हैं? Third ऐसे सिर्फ 3 लिख दिया. ये fourth class में है तो fourth ऐसे क्यों नहीं लिखा? Why haven't you written like 3 like this and 4 like this?
Ma'am, because it is the Roman number.
Beta, see, the numbers which we write every day like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they all are numbers. इनको बोलते हैं Hindu Arabic numbers. These are known as Hindu Arabic numbers. ये जो हम 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ऐसे लिखते हैं, we write it is known as Hindu Arabic numbers. और बेटा हम जब आप फर्स्ट क्लास में थे तो you write 1 as like this, 1 ऐसे लिखते थे I. When you come to 2 class you write I. When you come to third class you will write I. When you go to fourth class you will write IV. When you come to fifth class you will write like this V. ठीक है? So these all are what? This type of numbers are known as Roman numbers. These type of numbers are known as Roman numbers. Okay, and this side of numbers are known as Hindu Arabic numbers. All right, understood? Acha. Up. See, if you have written 3 like this, why haven't you written 4 like this? 4 को हमने ऐसे क्यों नहीं लिख दिया? 4 के लिए 4 eyes हो जाते हैं, है ना? If you have written 3, 1, 2, 3 like this, and why have you written 4? Why haven't you written 4 like I 4 times? Look here, everyone. Fold your arms and keep your camera somewhere. Beta, fold your arms and keep your camera somewhere. Do not touch the camera during the whole classes. Keep phone somewhere. Vashu Sharma, तुम्हारा phone हमेशा हाथ में क्यों रहता है? Why do you keep your phone at your in your hands? Just keep it somewhere. Aman Ali Khan, is there something special with you? You are switching your camera off, and Anshsen also. Keep your phone somewhere, Aman. Apurva. Apur, what happened to you? Why have you switched your camera off? All right, now see. This is 3, I is 3 and IV is 4. Okay? So let me start with the Roman numbers. So the Roman numbers होते हैं उनके कुछ why do you write I as 3 and IV as 4? Beta, because there are some rules to write Roman numbers. Okay, there are some rules to write Roman numbers that I will tell you how to write down the Roman numbers. ऐसे ही नहीं start कर देते हैं because Roman numbers में zero नहीं होता है. There is no zero in Roman numbers. Roman numbers में every number have some numbers have some symbols. क्या होते हैं symbols? कुछ English letters use होते हैं. In Roman numbers some English letters are used. Wait a minute.
In Romans, is English words.
Thank you for telling. Okay. Why don't you teach the whole class? I told you nobody will speak between when I teach you. Okay. The numbers are I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are the 7 letters used for Roman numbers. इसमें I का meaning होता है 1, V का meaning होता है 5, X का meaning होता है 10, L का meaning होता है 50, 100, 500, and M means 1000. All right? Understood? How many letters are there? How many letters are there in Roman numbers?
Yes. Ma'am, 7.
7. And what are they? IVX, LCDM. IVX, speak after me. Speak after me. IVX, LCDM. IVX, LCDM.
IVX, LCDM.
Speak. IVX, LCDM. IVX, LCDM. Okay. Okay. IVX, LCDM. I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, and M for 1000. Okay? Okay. So, Peter, let me tell you how there is no symbol for 0. There is no symbol for 0. जीरो का कोई सिंबल नहीं होता रोमन नंबर्स में. ठीक है? All right? अच्छा, now see. When Roman numbers, अच्छा तो लिखेंगे कैसे? How do we write it? See, if we have to write 1, 10, 0 कहाँ आता है? 10 में आता है. So how do we write 10? X. How we write 20? When we write the numbers together, they are added. They are added. 10 के लिए x, 20 के लिए there will be x, x. 10 plus 10, 20. Okay. If the number is 3, what we will write? 3, I. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is what? I for 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. What is this number?
Ma'am, 3.
3. If we have to write I, acha. Beta, if I am writing B, what does it mean? B क्या हो गया? What is B?
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am,
5.
5.
5. C. Symbol of B is 5. Symbol of B is 5 here. ठीक है? चलो अब मैं कुछ rules बताती हूँ आपको. Beta, when they are repeated, when repeated they are added. जब repeat होते हैं तो उनको क्या करते हैं? Add कर देते हैं. When repeated they are added. For example, if I write x, 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 x for x का meaning क्या होता है?
Ma'am, 10.
10.
Ma'am, 30.
10. 10 plus 10
Ma'am,
plus 10
Ma'am,
equals to
30. Ma'am, 30.
okay. But the second rule says, this is the rule 1. Second rule says, you cannot repeat more than 3 times. You cannot repeat then more than 3 times. You cannot repeat any number more than 3 times. Like if I ask you 4th class, so you will write I. मैंने आपसे पूछा था ना, हम 4th class को ऐसे क्यों नहीं लिखते? क्यों नहीं लिखते? Because I can be repeated 3 times only.
Ma'am,
I को हम सिर्फ 3 times repeat कर सकते हैं, not the 4th time. If we are writing this, so what we will write here? I.
ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, Roman number are writing by alphabet.
Yes. Are you late? Are you late to the class? Because I've already told you this thing. Roman numbers are written in alphabetical form. These are alphabets. And these are numbers. ठीक है, I के लिए 1 ही यूज होता है, V के लिए 5 ही यूज होता है, X के लिए 10, L के लिए 50, C के लिए 100. Okay, so why don't we write 4 like this? We don't write 4 like this because it cannot be repeated more than 3 times. तो कैसे करते हैं? अब देखो, I तो आप 4 times नहीं कर सकते थे. अब अगर कोई नंबर पीछे लगा होता है, स्मॉलर नंबर इज बैक, पहले स्मॉलर नंबर लिखा होता है और फिर बिग नंबर लिखा होता है, तो वी सबट्रैक्ट, स्मॉल बिग में वी सबट्रैक्ट. कैसे? मान लो अब हमारे पास नेक्स्ट नंबर था 5, 4 तो है ही नहीं कहीं पर भी. 5 में 5 को 4 कैसे बनाओगे? 5 को 4 कैसे बनाओगे?
And we write before I.
5 को 4 कैसे बनाओगे? 5 minus 1 4 होता है ना.
Then we write 1.
5 minus 1 4 होता है. 5 minus 1 4 होता है. So how will we make it 4? 5 के लिए we use the word be. और ये जो -1 है उसको एक -1 पीछे ले लेते हैं. जब हमें माइनस करना होता है तो पीछे लिखते हैं नंबर को, और जब हमें ऐड करना होता है तो आगे लिखते हैं नंबर को. If I ask you to write 5, 5 will be like this. If I ask you to write 6, how will you write 6?
Ma'am,
5 plus 1 6 होता है. See, 5 plus 1 6 होता है. So you will write as 5 plus 1. 5 और प्लस करना होगा तो मैंने क्या बोला है? आगे लगाओगे, और माइनस करना होगा तो पीछे लगाओगे. प्लस 1 है.
Ma'am, V1.
ठीक है. Now 7 is like 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. So 5 के लिए we will write 5, and how do we write 2 plus 2? This is 7. Okay, so your homework is, beta, see, wait a minute. Do you have a chart paper? A4. Do you have one art sheet? Do you have one art sheet or any plain sheet? Do you have one plain sheet of paper? Bring it, everyone. Bring it. Akshata, I will give you 0 because you are speaking in Hindi and you are shouting also. Can't you speak properly?
Ma'am, what we have to bring?
Open your camera. Do not shout, and secondly, always speak in English. Anything, any sheet of paper you can bring. Any sheet of paper. And with the colors also. And bring the colors also quickly.
Ma'am, I have do not art here.
Or if you don't have, you can take any math. Karna sabko, everyone has to do it. Everyone, all of you have to do this thing.
Please
Okay.
remind.
Write 1 first, 2.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to do this.
Yes, obviously yes. Take any sheet of paper. Any sheet of paper. Any sheet of paper you can take and draw it with colors. Draw it with colors and decorate it. Bada bada, and you have to write a bigger. Not small like copy. Copy नहीं, इसे decorate करके अच्छे से बनाना है. बड़ा लिखना है.
नहीं सीट चाहिए बस. Ma'am, can we use sketch pen?
Anything you want. It's an activity, so you can do it anyway.
Ma'am, today is 28. मैम ये कॉपी में लिख. मैम ये कॉपी में लिखना.
No, it's written any sheet of paper. Karanveer, open your camera. And Shaurya Pratap Gangwar, change your name. Rename yourself. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. What? Ma'am, this has to write with
Anything,
heading.
whatever you want to use, you can use. Whatever you want to use, you can use.
What is this work heading?
Heading is not any sheet of paper. It is not a heading. Heading is Roman numbers.
Okay,
Heading
ma'am.
is Roman numbers. This is the heading, Roman numbers.
R-O-N.
Start doing everyone. Jaldi se quickly.
And we will color also. And we will do color also.
Yes.
Ma'am, what we have to do? Ma'am, what we have to do?
बेटा ये दक्षता ये क्या आपने क्या दक्षता आप क्लास में है राइट आर यू इन क्लास दक्षता वेयर इज शी वेयर इज दक्षता
Ma'am, this one can use.
anything you want you can use okay Radhya no need to show it again and again where is Dakshata beta I told you and Sad also I told you right do not join that link तो क्यों लिख रहे हो उधर why are you writing there why were you joining that link
Ma'am, we have to write this sheet.
No need to show the way you are writing. First you do it and then send it on WhatsApp group. I'm not able to see from here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, when I'm in my second class, when I know how to write normal number, tell 1 to 20.
So what is this? What to do? What to do? Aman, Shaurya Pratap Gangwar, Kunal Sharma, I'm throwing you out of the meeting now. Let me throw them out. Let me throw them out.
Ma'am, I cannot understand
Karanveer, I'm throwing you out of the meeting.
Ma'am, please
And Kunal Sharma, let me throw him out. इसके अभी भी कैमरा ऑन नहीं हुआ ना.
Ma'am, please side. I want to see.
क्या हो गया बेटा साइड होने में? लो. Karanveer, your camera is again off. Remove कर दूंगी मैं. I'm telling you, I've removed right now 2 students from the class. Now I'm going to
Excuse
remove
me,
you.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I cannot understand.
You. बेटा ये आपको ड्रॉ करना है on a sheet of paper. Do it on a sheet of paper. Why your cameras are off again?
Ma'am, like this paper.
अभी तक you haven't started, Rudransh? Why haven't you started yet now? Start doing it quickly.
Ma'am, we have to write in this.
Or where? Any sheet of paper. Can't you see here? It's written any sheet of paper.
Okay. मैम ये कॉपी में कर मैम ये कॉपी में करना है
Humaira, what is written here? Humaira, what is written here? And next time you will speak in English. If you will not speak in English, I'll throw you out of the meeting. I will not throw you, but I will not listen to your questions if you are speaking in Hindi.
I'm doing copy.
No, it's written any sheet of paper.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Okay. Send it on WhatsApp.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Send it on WhatsApp if you have done it.
Can I go to washroom?
Yes, Lokdeep.
Ma'am, doing fair notebook.
Who is asking doing fair notebook? Beta, half of the period has gone. They have started doing the work and I told you any sheet of paper. Now you are asking any fair notebook. I said any sheet of paper, not in the fair notebook. Aryan Gangwar, get up. Do not sleep. Saad, Kalpit and Aman and Kunal Sharma, again your videos off.
Sheet of paper.
Kunal Sharma, what do you think of yourself? Are you playing games? That means I'm going to call your parents right away, all those whose cameras are off, like Aman, Dakshata, Aryan and Arjun. I'm going to call your parents right now. Let me call your parents, Aryan and Aman.
Excuse me, ma'am. I sent my work on WhatsApp group, so my camera is off.
Okay, Dakshata, very good, very nice, Dakshata.
पढ़ने मत दो आप मुझे
Saral Chandani, is there any problem?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot see clearly. That's why I am on WhatsApp group. Ma'am, we want to stick this work on our fair copy. Ma'am, I have done my work.
No need to stick and no need to don't do yourself. अपने आप मत करा करो. मैंने बोला
Ma'am?
stick करने के लिए. Have I told you to stick it? No. Nobody will stick it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, I have done my work and sent it on the WhatsApp group.
Let Ayush, you have to decorate it also nicely. Okay? Decorate it nicely like if you can see Aditi has done it. Very nice. Decorate it nicely. And one thing I can tell you, you can use old matchsticks as well as straws if you have something and you can just put on it. इसके ऊपर हम लगा सकते हैं, stick कर सकते हैं. For example, I'm making X. I'm making this X. I am having a small this is my matchstick. So I will write X like this, one with the one matchstick, and X like this with another matchstick. Aditi, are you doing it? Why are you not doing, Aditi?
Ma'am, I have completed.
Achha, sorry, Aditi. I have Okay, beta, this period is over. Complete it and send it today by in the afternoon. Decorate it well. Decorate it well and send it today in the afternoon. Okay. Decorate this hole. Decorate it the way you want it. All right. And send it after the class. Join the next class. Join next class. It's already 8:10. You can join next class. Do this work in the afternoon and send it afterwards. All right.